Guys, today meron tayo unbox na something na hindi karaniwan dito sa aking channel. And probably it's something na magiging useful sa inyo when you are doing a lot of live streaming, a lot of video recording sa iyong desktop or sa inyong laptop. And I'm probably one of those people na looking for a 4K na web camera na meron dito sa product na ito. Gusto niyo malaman kung ano nga ba ito? Pakita ko sa inyo. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. And ang hawak na natin dito is the Jabra Panacast 20. And this is something na pwede natin quickly ma-mount sa ating mga laptop and or sa ating mga desktop monitors. Ang dali lang niya, i-clip mo lang sa ibabaw ng iyong monitor, you're done. Kakabit mo ng cable, ganun kadali lang. And these are some of the important features na kailangan nyo malaman dito. It has intelligent lighting optimization, 4K na AI-powered na Ultra HD video. Yan ang isa sa mga hinahanap ko dito sa web camera na ito. Then of course, meron siyang intelligent zoom, picture-in-picture, which I'm not quite sure kung anong meaning nun. Plug and play, madali lang siyang gamitin, and meron siyang carry case included. Then, works seamlessly with leading UC platform. And that's one of the things na hinahanap natin dito sa webcam na ito. And it's exceptional engineering for 150 years. So imagine si Jabra, 150 years na pala, gumagawa ng mga ganitong products. No? And I'm really confident na si Jabra can give me something that I'm looking for. Kasi I've been a Jabra user for quite a long while since early Nokia days. And this one, I'm willing to try it out. So kita natin, ang box is very simple. Open natin. It's very something like this one. And sabi ni Jabra dito sa box, it's engineered for intelligent AI-enabled personal video conferencing. And I know na very in demand ngayon ang mga video conferencing, lalo na if you're a professional, no? And if you're a teacher, a professor, or a lecturer, or somebody who goes on video conferencing a lot, I think this one could be a perfect na combo with you. And kahit ako live streaming, I would try this one and see kung ganun kaganda nga mga 4K, no? And later I'll be showing some samples using this Panacast 20 ni Jabra. Let's see kung ganun kaganda nga ba talagang mga video quality niya, no? And ganun ka ba kadali i-mount sa ating PC, sa ating laptop. I'll be trying on my laptop para mabilis lang natin magawa. And unbox na natin to. Sabi ni Jabra, welcome to exceptional engineering. You can download the software and personalize your video experience. Update mo para latest ang iyong mga features. Then of course, you can get 20% off on your next Jabra purchase kung nag-register ka. So ngayon, open na natin itong Panacast 20. And pag open natin, kita natin there's a pouch. And anytime, pwede mo itago dito pag hindi mo kailangan para protected siya against siguro accidents kasi hindi siya permanent na naka-perme sa inyong mga monitor, sa inyong mga laptop na screen. No? So, there are times na pag nasundot, malalaglag. So, better if you're not using it, you can always keep it inside this pouch. So, when you open this pouch, kita natin, here is the Panacast 20. And it's small. Made out of metal, no? So, I believe this is brushed aluminum metal, making it very durable. Hindi siya plastic material. It's a little bit heavy. And kita natin here is the cam itself. It looks nice. It's easy to mount. I'll be showing you how to mount this one to your laptop monitor and of course your screen. And kita natin dito sa ilalim, meron siyang switch. Okay? Para itakpan. So, not every time na ready tayo sa camera. So, there are times na maghanda ka or if you're not familiar to doing some of those cover for start stream, before ka mag-stream, meron kang cover muna na nagpe-play ng music, you can always use this cover to cover up muna para habang hindi ka pa ready, to give you some time to prepare, takpan mo muna tong lens. And, well, ganun kadali lang. And of course, looking around, there's USB Type-C connectivity dito sa ilalim. And inside, we have a very thick na USB Type-C cable. So, I believe this is, pang high definition. I believe na pag gumamit kayo ng cable, your video might be compromised. So, I urge you to use this default cable ni Jabra to give you that best quality. So, kakapit lang natin to, no, sa ilalim. All you need to do is just plug it like this. I'll show you how na i-mount dito sa yung PC. Another thing na napansin ko dito sa box is this is made out of recycled material. So, kita natin, no, this box is thoughtfully crafted with 100% recyclable materials and sustainable water-based ink. And on the side note, kung gusto niyo magpahinga muna kayo and of course, syempre, release some tension off na syempre magla-livestream ka na, mag-video conferencing ka na, sometimes minsan kabado ka. Kahit hindi ka live, nakaharap sa mga tao, there are times na mafe-feel mo pa rin ng kaba kasi you're talking in front of so many people. I urge you to buy one of this, si Jabra Elite 85T. And this is a very nice na TWS na ginawa ni Jabra. And I believe that this one can give you yung relaxation, yung sound. If you want to play some games, you want to listen to music on Spotify, if you want to watch some videos before you go live, or you want to listen to some of the lectures that kailangan nyo malaman before you go live to a little bit refresher, this one is a good solution. Jabra Elite 85T. So before I forget, pwede nyo pala i-mount to sa tripod kung meron kayo. Dahil meron siya dito ready yung butas na saktong-sakto para sa inyong tripod. And now, how to mount it on your laptop. Same lang siya sa monitor. So all you need to do is just open this one. I-angle mo siya degree to make sure na sasandal siya sa inyong likod na yung monitor. Papatong na lang siya. Okay, sasagad nyo lang to isa. Then yung likod, i-angle nyo sa tamang position. Okay, to make sure na parang 90 degrees siya, kung i-adjust nyo, tulakin nyo lang to para mag-straighten siya. And kita natin right now, it's almost straight. And next, of course, is to plug this to your USB Type-A port. So, sarili siya mag-set up ng Panacast 20. Sabi ng Jabra Panacast 20 is ready to go. So, next thing to do is to go to this website, apac.jabra.com/software-and-service/Jabra- Direct. So, bakit mo kailangan download tong Jabra Direct? So, this one would enable you to maximize yung Panacast 20. So, download for Windows. If you're using for Mac OS, just download it for Mac OS. So, depending sa speed ng yung internet, it is around a 82 MB na file. So, kunting pasensya lang. And we're done. Double click to install. So, welcome to Jabra Direct. Accept mo lang terms, install. Yes. And mag-install na siya. So, it's completed. Launch lang natin ng software. So, kita natin dito na pwede natin i-update, okay, itong Panacast 20 natin. So, update lang natin to be sure na latest ang ating firmware before running the Jabra Panacast 20. So, when it's updating, purple ang blinking niya. So, kita natin, it's updating. So, tapos na tayo mag-update. Updated na ang ating Panacast 20. So, pwede ka pumasok sa inyong camera controller. And kita natin na this camera nag-zoom in sa mag-isa. And it has a intelligent zoom which enables you to zoom in sa desired na video ninyo. So, right now, try natin to see if this one can more or less give us yung video resolution that we're looking for. And so right now, titingnan na natin, So we'll be trying to record this video din as well. So kakalikutin muna natin, So right now, we're looking at this camera. Ang masasabi ko siya, the resolution is nice. Really, really nice. And so kalikutin lang natin, So this one, it has picture in picture. So, parang dual stream siya, Yun ang sabi ni Jabra. Giving you yung, how do you call that? Parang dalawang stream, okay? To make sure na, dalawang stream pinagsama niya to make sure na hindi putol-putolan yung streaming. Which is kinda nice for me. It's really something innovative. But I'll switch to intelligent zoom muna for the meantime. Okay, so kanina okay naman siya. So, zoom lang tayo konti. Okay. So ito yung kanina, no? Setting natin kanina, which is for me, by far, okay naman. I have no problem with it. Yeah, this is probably the perfect view if you want to go live streaming. Actually, to be honest, yung kanyang color reproduction is really nice. Yung color niya, parang bright ang background. And I have my two lights over here, my diffuser light. So, I think I would try to use this din sa mga live streaming, no? And checking natin in a little bit, I'll be trying to configure kung kaya naman tumakbo sa OBS, which I think should be na tumakbo siya sa OBS, no? So, it should be fun. And we'll try to record some videos. So, gusto na natin tingnan mga settings niya, no, dito, quickly. So, sa camera, may intelligent zoom siya. Video flicker natin, set lang natin sa auto. Then, of course, ang ating field of view, recommended is 90%, 90 degrees. And image quality, iset lang natin sa highest. Okay? So, this is the default setting, okay, na makita natin. No? So, I believe nakaset naman siya sa highest resolution. So, enables the microphone in the device. So, hindi ko naman na siya in-enable, no? But we can do this, okay? So, enable din natin. These are the product information. So, save lang natin. Okay, so nag-reboot na yung device. So, we're ready to use the Panacast. So, okay, so ready na tayo. So basically this one, i-enable lang natin si yung auto zoom in, intelligent zoom, which for me yung yung pagiging intelligent zooming niya is very important for me kasi siyempre ayaw mo makita mga unnecessary clutter sa likod ng iyong bahay. So, right now, let's just go and check our camera. Gamit natin si Jabra Panacast. Okay, so in order to be able to record some videos over here. And it's using the intelligent mode. So, nag-record tayo right now here sa ating studio using the Jabra Panacast, and it's being mounted here sa aking, of course, sa aking laptop. So, kita natin no, na it's intelligently moving on its own, zooming on its own. So, sarili siya nag-adjust, no? I can say that I'm really proud na maganda ang resolution, no, nitong camera. It has 4K resolution, which is definitely nice. Na something na hahanap-hanapin mo siya. And definitely it's nothing, I don't know, hindi lang siya gimmick-gimmick. And if you are somebody who likes to live stream a lot, and if you're someone who likes to do a lot of video conferencing, doing some lecture, doing some, of course, a lot of stuff. Actually, pwede mo gumawa ng YouTube video using this Jabra na Panacast 20 and the 4K resolution. I think it's nice. So, this is a live recording using Jabra Panacast 20. And yung audio nakasync dyan sa web camera din niya. But of course, you can always use your other microphones. But I'm pretty sure na yung kanyang audio is very much nice. Perfect suited for yung mga mga video conferencing. And by far, I'm loving this Jabra Panacast 20, and it's really nice being mounted here on my laptop. And I should really try to maximize this web camera and try to use it on other platform like OBS, like Zoom, and to see kung yung performance niya would, well, up to my standards. Kasi ako, I've been using game capture card and plugging everything to my DSLR. But if this one can replace that, it's a lot more convenient as compared to having all those peripherals na nakasalpak sa inyong camera. Very cluttered, one. Two, it's hard setup. This one, it's just a USB Type-C, plug and play. Tapos ang yung problema, wala kang problem, no? Lalo ang quality ng ganda, 4K. And yeah, I'm satisfied. And ganda na ng image quality, no? And that's the Jabra Panacast 20 for you. Now guys, nakita na natin how we were able to mount this Jabra Panacast 20 sa ating laptop. And I can see na it's very small, though a little bit heavy, siguro dahil sa kind of build material, it's really nice. And I believe that this one is really something that you need for live streaming, for video conferencing, or even recording your YouTube video. Pwede to, no? There are a lot of content creators na just sit down talking to the camera. And I think this one can even replace that of the DSLR with its 4K quality. I believe na kahit pa paano, kaya na magkuha ng good video, no, dito sa Jabra Panacast 20. And yeah, I'm willing to try this out. One of my live streamings here. And let's see kung it would replace, no? And I'll be trying it also on OBS kung gagana nga ba to o hindi. Which I think should be working. And so guys, if you're like me, doing a lot of live stream, doing a lot of YouTube videos, and doing a lot of video conferencing sa work, I think the Jabra Panacast 20 would be a perfect solution for you and me. And of course, if you want to know kung saan yung pwede mabili itong Jabra Panacast 20, link on the description below. And so guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click mo na rin ang bell icon para hindi na ma-miss ang mga future videos here sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watch out!